make sticker on Telegram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make sticker on Telegram. For that, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Telegram app. If you don't have, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and then you have to search for the Telegram here. So here you have to go for your Google Play or your App Store and search for the Telegram. Once you have searched for the Telegram, if there is any update available, you have to download the latest version of your Telegram app here. And then once the Telegram app has been successfully updated on your device, you have to go and open up your Telegram. So here you have to open up your Telegram, and on the search bar you have to search for the sticker option here and go for that. And after that you have to go for the start option here. So here you have to start the sticker bot on your device. And here you can see the new pack option. Go for the new pack. And you have a new sticker set. Now you have to choose a name for your set. So go and choose a name here. After that, here you have to attach a photo or file from your device here. So after that, you have to send your sticker into PNG format, and then you can now send a emoji that correspond to your first sticker. So here you have to send that emoji here. After that, go for that, and now you can see that. So here you can see that congratulations, sticker in the set number one has been added. So here you can see that the sticker in the set one to another sticker has sent me to next. So here you have to go for the publish option, and then you can set an icon for your sticker on your Telegram app, which will be displayed in the list of the Telegram panel. Go for the skip option. With that process, you can easily make a sticker on your Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.